Good morning children. Hope you have solved your previous, 3 exercises in your decimals. Good. Now today we are going to learn the use of decimals. Like where you are using the decimals, like writing millimeters in terms of centimeters and writing centimeters in terms of meters, writing meters in terms of kilometers. Similarly, grams in terms of kilograms, milliliters in terms of liters, and paise in terms of rupees. Okay, now let us see how to use or how can we represent millimeters in terms of centimeters using the decimal point. Alright, now see 6 millimeters. Now we have to express 6 millimeters in terms of centimeters using the decimal. Now before writing that, you have to remember these relations, children, like the values: 1 meter 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter 10 millimeters, 1 kilometer 1000 meters, 1 kilogram 1000 grams, 1 liter 1000 milliliters, and 1 rupee 100 paise. So these all values you should be able to remember so that you can express whatever the units they are asking you very easily. Now let us see here 6 millimeters in terms of centimeters. So what is the relation, children? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So what are we doing? We are dividing. We are writing 6 millimeters as 6 by 10. So what it will be? 0.6 centimeters. That is 6. We have 1 0. Therefore, counting from the last 1.0. That is 0.6 centimeters. Now 60 millimeters I have. 60 millimeters, how do you write? 60 by 10. So first write 60 as it is. Now how many zeros I have? 1 0. So 6.0 centimeters. Why I am dividing all these numbers with 10, children? Because 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. That is what we are dividing these numbers with the 10. Right? Next, 159 millimeters. So 159 millimeters, how do we express? 159 by 10. So 159, you are writing as it is. Now 1 0 we have, counting from the last. 1 point. That is 15.9 centimeters. Okay. Next we have 8 centimeters and 9 millimeters. 8 centimeters and 9 millimeters. So how do we write this, children? 8 centimeters plus 9 millimeters. Okay. So you are joining these two units, that is centimeters and millimeters, using the addition symbol. Already 8 centimeters is in centimeters itself. So no need to convert. Plus 9 by 10. Why? Because millimeters we have to convert it into centimeters. Here if we observe, 8 is already in centimeters. So only 9 we have to convert it into millimeters. Sorry, centimeters. So 8 centimeters plus 0.9 centimeters. So what it will be? 8.9 centimeters. So this is how you are converting millimeters in terms of centimeters using the decimals. Alright, next let us see how to express centimeters in terms of meters. How to express centimeters in terms of meters. Now what is the relation between centimeters and meters from the board? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now let us take 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters in the sense, what are we going to write? 8 by 10 or 8 by 100? 8 by 100, because 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 8 by 100. 8. How meters. 0.08 meters. Got it? Next, what do we have? 20 centimeters. Simple. So 20 by 100. So you're writing 20 as it is. Since two zeros, 1, 2.0, 0.20 meters. Next we have 2 meters, 35 centimeters. So here we have two units together, meters as well as centimeters. Already we have expressed 2 in terms of meters. Only we need to express 35 centimeters in terms of meters. So first of all, how do we write this? 2 meters plus 35 centimeters. So these two different units, what I am doing? I am clubbing together using the basic operation plus. Okay. Now already 2 is in meters. So we'll write 2 in meters plus 35 is in centimeters. Now we have to express 35 centimeters in terms of meters. What are we going to do? We are going to write 35 as 35 by 100. Then what are we getting? 2 meters plus, so since 2 zeros, 1, 2 point meters. Now add these two, 2.35 meters. That's it. Got it? Next, let us express meters in terms of kilometers. Meters in terms of kilometers. Let us see. Now we have 18 meters. Now what is the relationship between meters and kilometers? From the board you can see 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So what are we doing? We are dividing 18 with 1000. So first write 18 as it is. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 0.0 kilometers. That is 0.018 kilometers. Next, 327 meters. So first express 327 meters as 327 by 1000 because 1000 meters will make 1 kilometer. So write 327 as it is. How many zeros we have? 3. 1, 2, 3.0 kilometers. Is it not simple, children? Only the thing is like you have to remember these values. Then it will be very easy for you to express either meters to meters in terms of kilometers or millimeters in terms of centimeters or grams in terms of kilograms, whatever is it. Next, 9,999 meters. So we are going to write this as 9,999 by 1000. So first write the numerator as it is. Now in the denominator we have 3 zeros. So counting from the last, 1, 2, 3. So it is 9.999 kilometers. Okay. Next, 20 kilometers, 5 meters. So here we have 2 units together. So whenever we have 2 different units together, what are you doing? You are clubbing those two using a basic operation plus. See, 20 kilometers is already in terms of kilometers plus 5 meters. So 20 kilometers plus 5 by 1000. Why am I not writing 20 by 1000? Because already 20 is in terms of kilometers. No need to write by 1000. So we have to express this 5 meters as kilometers. That's why I am dividing this 5, only 5 with 1000. So how do we write? 20 kilometers plus, now how many zeros in the denominator? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3.0. So what do we get? 20.005 kilometers. Got it, children? Similarly, you are going to express grams in terms of kilograms. Let us see that also with few examples. Now we are expressing grams in terms of kilograms. Now 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Like how you did it expressing meters in kilometers. Similarly, grams in terms of kilograms, because both the values are same. I mean to say 1 kilometer is 1000 meters and 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So you people try to convert this, or you people try to express grams in terms of kilograms using the decimal point on your own, so that when you're doing it, if you're coming across with any tough thing or any doubt, do reach me so that I can make you to understand with few more examples in the another video. Alright, next expressing paise in terms of rupees. Expressing in paise in terms of rupees. One more thing, children. See, so you learn how to express meters in terms of kilometers. So the same procedure we are following to express grams in terms of kilograms, milliliters in terms of liters, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So the same procedure is applicable for that. Whatever the procedure we have learned to convert meters to kilometers, the same thing we will be doing it to express grams in terms of kilograms and milliliters in terms of liters. Because if once you started doing on your own, you may have some doubt. So if you have any doubts when you're doing it, please do reach me so that I can solve it. Okay. Next we have paise in terms of rupees. Simple it is. I have 7 paise. So what do I write? 7 by 100, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 7. How many zeros? 2. 1, 2.0. If I have 77 pies, so it is 0.07 rupees. So 77 pies, it means 77 by 100. So it is 2 zeros, 1, 2.0. So 0.77 rupees. If I have 1836 paise, so first 1836 you are writing as, or you are dividing that with the 100. Then rupee 1836. How many zeros we have? 2. 1, 2 point. So it is 18.36 rupees. Got it, children? So this is how you are expressing a smaller unit in terms of bigger unit using the decimals. Next you have addition and subtraction. Am I right? So you know how to add addition and subtraction of the decimals. Already I have taught you previous class. Okay. Or else let us see with another example. So if you have a problem like, find the sum of say 16 meters 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 16 meters 1 centimeter, then 20 meters 90 centimeters and 142 meters and 35 centimeters. So here you are adding 3 different units, 3 different numbers that are having 2 different units, meters as well as centimeters. So before adding, already you have learned how to express centimeters in terms of meters. So first let us take 16 meters and 1 centimeter. 16 meters and 1 centimeter. So already 16 is in meters and 1 centimeter 1 by 100 because 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So what do we get here? 16 meters plus 0.01, that is 16.01 meters. So just write it aside. 16.01 meters. Next we have 20 meters and 90 centimeters. So 20 meters as it is plus I am writing 90 centimeters as 90 by 100. So 20 plus 0.90, that is 20.90 meters. 20.90 meters, right? Next, the last one, 142 meters and 35 centimeters. Similar, 142 plus 35 by 100. So how we are writing this as 142.35. 142.35 meters. So what are you doing, children, here? You are expressing two different units to the same unit in terms of meters, and then you are adding the numbers. Got it, children? Let us take another example. Let us take another example. You have 652 kilograms and 900 grams, 325 kilometers, 96 meters. Next you have 39 kilometers, 380 meters. So it is 652 kilometers and 900 meters. So first of all, you have to express all these three numbers using decimals. Okay, children. Now let us see the first one. So 652 kilometers and 900 meters. So we are expressing in terms of kilometers as one unit. So 652 plus 900 by 1000. Why I am writing by 1000, children? Because 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. How do you write this now? 652 plus 0.900, that is 652.900. Next, 325 kilometers and 96 meters. So 325 plus 96 by 1000. Already 325 is in terms of kilometers. So we have to express meters in terms of kilometers. 325. So how do we write this as 0.096? Because 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 points. So decimal we are placing before 3 digits. So what do we get? 325.096 kilometers. Next we have 39 kilometers and 380 meters. 39 plus 380 by 1000. Then 39 plus 0.380, that is 39.380. Now you are adding this and the last one. So what you have done in all these three, you have expressed everything in terms of kilometers using the decimals. So once you have converted or once you have expressed in terms of kilometers or in terms of kilograms or in terms of liters, then only it is easy for you to add the decimals. Got it, children? So with this we have completed our chapter, and also you know how to do the subtractions as usual. The similar procedure we do follow for the subtractions even. So any doubt in your exercise 8F, please do raise a doubt so that I can solve your doubt by doing a small video for that. Okay children, bye for today. Let us meet in the new class with a new concept. Okay.